Bak bak bak.
Brother from Kashmir welcomes you. My home is Kashmir. I would die for my Kashmir and live for it till I am breathing. Kashmir is often called paradise on earth. Due to its breathtaking, pristine Kashmir, people are known for its simplicity and humbleness and wish we all go back to that Kashmir and wish we do not bring modern textures to that simple nomadic life we had before. To those Kashmiris who are not in Kashmir right now, they miss homeland Kashmir every single day. And those people who are our brothers, our friends, our Kashmiris, there we remember them every day, like the rainfall remembers the sky. The region is blessed with lush green valleys, snow-capped mountains, beautiful lakes, and picturesque landscapes that evoke a sense of paradise, making it a popular epithet for Kashmir. Gar Firdaus, bar ruhe zamin ast, hamin asto, hamin asto, hamin ast. If there is paradise on this earth, it is here, it is here, it is here, spoken in awe by the great poet Amir Khusrau. The stunning Kashmir Valley continues to evoke this very sentiment even today, in the heart of many a traveller. No matter wherever I will go in the world, Allah has given me a heritage to remember, and that is heaven called Kashmir. And I hope we all Kashmir is remember our roots of simplicity. Unfortunately, today's generation is not understanding the reality, how to keep Kashmir preserved, and how to remember those who have praised and loved Kashmir like no one can ever love her. In fact, poetry and poets have been an inevitable part of the valley since several generations, be it the works of classical Kashmiri poets like Lal Ded, Haba Khatun, Anemal, or modern literary heavyweights like Amin Kamil, Dinanath Nadim, or Rehman Rahi. The poetic voice and its narrators have always canvassed times and lived experiences in the region. This place in the video is called Doodhpathri. The name Doodhpathri means Valley of Milk. It is said that the famous saint of Kashmir Sheikh ul-Alam Sheikh Noordin Nurani has prayed here, and once when he was in search of water in the meadows to offer prayers, he pricked the ground with his stick to search for water, and milk came out. He asked the milk that you can only be used for drinking and not performing ablution. Hearing this milk at once changed its state to water, and the meadow got its name, Doodhpathri. The water, which is at present flowing through the meadows, has a milky appearance from the distance and remains very cold throughout the year. The lush green grasses over the vast meadows and silver shining streams running over the large stones further increase its beauty. But unfortunately, today's generation doesn't understand how to preserve the culture of Kashmir, and hope one day we all add more respect and care towards Kashmir and our beautiful surrounding. It's a humble request to those tourists here as well to enjoy the nature instead of wine and wicked things to choose. Let the nature of Kashmir give you peace, not the materialistic things to be brought to such nature. Keep things clean. We welcome those who respect the purity of Kashmir, those who stand for it. I am a Kashmir. I have said the story of what I feel for Kashmir. Rest is up to you. Now to make the story of Kashmir reach others.